life I had to struggle. I paid some heavy dues, squeaking out a living, playing these here blues. Then one day my music made me a millionaire. I bought a big old mansion with central heat and air. Now I got more money than I know how to use. Got everything a man could want, but I ain't got the blues. Success for me could only lead to my impending doom, 'cause I can't play the blues in an air-conditioned room. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Now I was doing better with a smaller piece of pie, but all my fame and fortune I can't identify. I lost the inspiration that came natural at the start. I had to hire a mean old woman just to break my heart. Now my life's too easy, I think I'm getting soft. Yeah, I used to play the blues all day, but now I just play golf. Now all my pain is rearranged, my life is changing too, 'cause I can't play the blues in an air-conditioned room. Look out! I'm crazy, yet you might think I'm strange. But first thing in the morning, I'm gonna make a change. I'll throw away all the money, gonna move back to the shack, gonna do whatever I gotta do just to get the feeling back. I know I'd be feeling better with nothing left to lose, 'cause when times were bad, the less I had, the better I played the blues. I'll buy myself some turkey wine and hell about the moon, 'cause I can't play the blues in an air-conditioned room. Hell, if I should die tomorrow, you can write it on my tomb. You said you couldn't play the blues in an air-conditioned room.